In today's video, I'll teach you how to change payment method in Temu.
First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in temu.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Temu. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change your payment method, what you have to do is simply go to your account interface. For that, click on this option, orders and account, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account and orders interface of Temu. What you have to do is scroll down. Now at left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for your payment methods. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see the payment methods that you've added over here. You'll be able to see all the payment methods over here. So you can either edit the payment method or you can also remove it. If you want to change some information of the payment method, what you have to do is click on the option edit and you'll be able to edit the informations. But if there are too much information to edit, what you can do is simply remove the existing payment method. For that, click on the option remove. After you do that, click on this option add a credit or debit card, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add a new card. All you have to do is enter the card number, expiration date and CVV over here. First of all, enter the card number. Likewise, select the expiration date, select the month and select the year. Now enter the CVV over here. After you do that, also select the billing address. Now click on this option, add your card, that you can see on the screen. Now the initial card will be removed and the new card will be added to your account. That means your payment method has been changed. So that is how you change payment method on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.